so excited for today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing Polycytech polymers. It comes in a pretty nice box here. It's got Polycytech logo on it. It reminds you to freeze upon arrival. Most of the polymers stored cold. It's made in America. It reminds you to live a radical life, work with polymers. Oh wow, I'm so excited. I can't wait to break into this thing. Let's open it up. Alright, cool. We got a t-shirt with our order as well. Let's see what this looks like. We know what you're made of. Akinalytics, part of the analytical part of Akina. That's pretty cool. I'll make sure to wear that later. Let's see what else we got. See inside of here. We got packed with ice, making sure to keep it nice and cold. We got ourselves AK149 Nimpeg polylactide. I kind of like how it has the lot number on the side, so you can always find out what exactly about this one. You can find out all the details. To find out more details, you just go to the website, check out their products. Vivo. Any product you want to know more about, let's go to the COA section. This is searchable, so you just need your catalog number. Let's put in my AK149. Works better if I spell it. Get my COA list. Pull it up right there. So already I can see the NMR, spectra, the FTIR data, all the data from GPC. That's for this product right here. It's exactly what I got. So this is kind of nice, guys. We can know exactly what we have here at any point in time. It makes it a lot easier. If you need to find out some more details when you're writing your manuscript, this is a very handy thing to have. So let's see if we can make something with this stuff. Already I see the bag has some desiccant included in it. Keep it nice and dry. Just pull this out here. And not only do we have the product and lot number, we have the exact mass in the jar. It's argon flushed. It's research purposes only. So we can pop this open and take a look inside of it. There's our polymer. Already I know the amount because it's listed on the side of the jar. So I'm going to go ahead and make a 5% stock solution and some acetone. This one's a poly-DL lactide with PEG. It'll dissolve easily in acetone, dichloromethane, many different solvents. If you have a poly-L lactide, you need to be a little bit more careful with which solvent you use, because only certain solvents will dissolve poly-L lactide, mostly dichloromethane. You're just adding in 10 mils of acetone. I'll get this started on stirring. We'll let that stir a little bit till it dissolves. Cap that off, let it dissolve for a little bit. Okay, I'm excited to work with my active pharmaceutical ingredient. Working with curcumin today. This on here and get it stirring. hydrophobic drug, so I can just add it straight to the acetone solution. It dissolves nicely in with the polymer. Okay, now that that's ready, let's go and get ready to make some nanoparticles. Since this is for a block polymer, you don't need to use any surfactant. Just regular distilled water will work fine, or deionized water. Okay guys, we finished making our nanoparticles now. Turn off our stir. They're very small. We're going to be getting rid of anything big here. We're going to be using filtration, 3.45 micron PVDF filter. Simply using a syringe. The needle. We pull some up. Using the syringe filter. This will get rid of any bacteria as well. So there's our submicron filtered nanoparticles. Good news guys, my IACUC got approved. I have myself an animal model to work with now. Let's go ahead and get this guy gorked down some isoflurane. He's got an implanted tumor right here. I'm going to mark around it. I can compare its volume. Let's inject some of these nanoparticles we prepared earlier. check back on this guy in a few weeks, see if he feels any better. Okay, let's check on our friend here. Get him back under anesthesia again. Look at that. Tumor is much smaller. We've already lost a lot of volume. It looks like we have a good promising therapy here to work with in the future. So that's been our unboxing video. Pretty exciting stuff you can get from Poly Sci-Tech division of Akina Incorporated.